Hello, today I will guide you on how to use a laptop screen as an external monitor. Step 1. Press Windows plus Control plus P on your keyboard at the same time. A menu will appear with different display options. Step 2. Select the Extend option. Choose Extend to use the laptop screen as a secondary display. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Go to Settings. System Display to fine-tune the screen arrangement. Drag and rearrange monitors based on your setup. Click Detect if the laptop screen is not recognized immediately. That's it. Hope this helps. Let me know if you need further clarification.